sorting 60 fish per minute. See any that got mixed up? Paint line straight as an arrow, son. Bet it moves over 0.6 mph, right? Mesh loops closed like stitching. How long do you think one roll takes? Candle cups come out looking like decor. Scent lovers will be obsessed. Pressed and sealed in one go. That pressure could crush a steel can. Diamond mesh stamped perfectly. Looks like it belongs on a soccer field. Logs crack clean one after another. How long to split a full ton, you think? Splits wood smooth as butter. How much force do you think this tool uses? Hydraulic bearing installed in just 20 seconds. Think it needs manual alignment? Ultra-thin heat pipes, excellent thermal transfer, next-gen cooling tech. Ice cream smooth as clouds. How many tubs do you think per hour? Cut steel smooth as butter. Good tools really boost productivity. Crankshaft machining down to the micron. Precision at its finest. Roof panels roll out like book covers. How many you think they make per day? Bricks pop out like baked goods. Makes you want to build something. Clean, precise cuts. That blade's got to be under 0.4 inches thin. Slices thin as paper. How sharp do you think this blade is? Trims clean, smooth as silk. Makes you want to start gardening today. Clears 8-inch tall grass in just 3 minutes. Fast and flawless. Plants lined up straight, not even 0.4 inches off. Barbed wire laid perfectly, 66 feet per minute. Can you believe it? Squid-shaped glass, art, or tech? What do you think? Removing nails with a wrench? Who's tried this trick before? Tiles laid straight as a ruler. Cite how many do you think it places per minute? Blades thin as paper, sharp as lasers. But ever used one like this? Stamped concrete patterns look like printed fabric. Seriously satisfying. Robot lays roof tiles perfectly straight. Who's still climbing rooftops these days? "13 feet of solid pipe lifted with ease? That clamp's not messing around." Spot welding batteries without a drip. Clean and precise connections.